In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Hostinger website. If you've already finished building and customizing your site, the final step is getting it live so other people can actually visit it online. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can publish your website with confidence. First, go ahead and open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll be able to access the websites connected to your account. This is the main area where you manage your site, make changes, and control whether those changes are visible to the public. From there, click on Website. This will take you to the section where your website is listed and where you can manage it. If you have more than one site in your account, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Taking a moment here helps avoid making changes to the wrong website. Next, click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, where you can customize your pages, adjust your design, update text, add images, and make any final changes you want before publishing. If you're still working on the layout or checking your content, now is a good time to quickly review everything to make sure it looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to double-check things like spelling, page order, and mobile appearance before making your site live. Once you're done customizing your website, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Go Live. This is the option you'll use to publish your website. Simply click that button, and Hostinger will make your site live so visitors can access it online. Now, if your website has already been published before, the button may not say Go Live. In that case, it will usually say Update Website instead. That simply means your site is already live, and any new changes you've made need to be updated on the published version. Clicking Update Website will push those latest edits live. And that's it. That's how to publish your Hostinger website. Open your Hostinger account, go to Website, click Edit Website, and then use the Go Live or Update Website button in the top right corner. It's a quick process, and once you know where to click, publishing your site only takes a few seconds.